back, thinking about taking a big step up in your career, maybe moving from, learning the ropes to actually leading.
Yeah, making that leap.
Well, today we're doing a deep dive into a program designed for exactly that, the MERI PGDM 2.0. It's called From Novice to Leadership.
Presented by MERI, that's the Management Education and Research Institute. We've looked at their guide.
And our mission is basically to unpack what this program is all about for you.
Okay, so the first thing that jumps out is this focus on transformation. It's not just another degree.
Right.
It's explicitly about bridging theory and, actual practice, guiding you from being a learner to becoming a leader.
And who's doing the guiding? Curiel mentions faculty from all over, IIMs, IITs.
Yeah, India's best, plus Ivy League global leadership circles. So you get that academic depth, but also real industry smarts.
Which means you're learning from people who've actually, done it.
Mr. Love Agrawal.
Ah, yes, the one with both corporate and entrepreneurial experience.
That's him. And then Professor Dr. Rakesh Khurana bringing that deep academic knowledge, but also, crucially, a board-level corporate viewpoint. Exactly, and it's not just lectures. They talk about mentorship, industry projects, live cases, learning beyond the classroom walls.
Getting your hands dirty, essentially. And what about the global side? They mention international collaborations.
Over 30 of them, Europe, Asia. It's about giving you that global perspective, preparing you for an international career, real-world exposure.
Okay, vital these days. But how does this make you industry ready? That's a term they use a lot.
Well, it seems pretty integrated. You get certifications from big names, KPMG, Grant Thornton, even Harvard publishing content.
Practical stuff?
Right. Plus 2-month internships, corporate partnerships. It's designed to be actionable, not just academic theory.
And then there's this, they mentioned an AI-powered quadra specialization. That's a mouthful.
Right. No, it's more like building a skill stack. They give examples like marketing plus AI or finance plus fintech.
So combining fields, more flexible.
Exactly. Gives you flexibility and focus to build a unique skill set for the future. Maybe for those cross-functional roles.
Makes sense. And this ties into MERI's broader vision, doesn't it? Nurturing leaders, not just job seekers.
Precisely. They mention fostering founders, innovators. There's an entrepreneurial ecosystem, capstone projects.
So focusing on real-world skills like problem-solving, decision-making.
Analytics, leadership. It's about holistic development and applied thinking.
So you graduate, ready to hit the ground running.
That's the idea. Comprehensive placement readiness from day one. Internship ready, capstone ready, leadership ready, immediate value.
And you're not alone after graduating. There's an alumni network.
Oh yeah, big one. Over 5,000 alumni worldwide, many in leadership roles. They call it a Launchpad, not just a network. It's like having people in your corner.
Okay, so we've covered the transformation, the elite faculty, the global reach, industry readiness, that quadra specialization, leadership focus, and the career Launchpad. Quite a package.
It really lays out a path. And it ends with a question for you, the potential student. It says the program unlocks your potential.
Right.
So what kind of leader will you become?
A powerful question to consider. If this deep dive has sparked your interest, the next step is clear.
Check it out for yourself.
Apply now.